Mother's Day brunch in 2026 is all about elegant yet cozy tablescapes. With soft florals, thoughtful details, and beautiful layering, you can create a table that makes mom feel celebrated and truly appreciated.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is a brunch tablescape perfect for Mother's Day? Brunch gatherings feel relaxed, joyful, and perfect for family celebrations. A thoughtfully decorated table creates a warm atmosphere where everyone can share meaningful moments together. Love cozy brunch celebrations? Like this if tablescapes excite you. What napkin ideas work for a brunch table? Fold napkins neatly or tie them with ribbon and small flowers. Simple napkin accents instantly elevate the table presentation. Napkins styled? Like this, if little touches shine. What makes a Mother's Day table truly memorable? Thoughtful decorations, delicious food, and meaningful conversation make the celebration unforgettable for everyone. Feeling the love? Like this if moments matter most. How can I make the table look modern in 2026? Use minimalist styling, neutral palettes, and organic arrangements. Clean layouts help. Keep the table stylish and contemporary. Modern style approved? Like this if fresh design wins. What lighting works best for a brunch tablescape? Natural light or soft candles create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Gentle lighting enhances the beauty of the table decor. Lighting perfect? Like this if ambiance matters. What food displays look best on a brunch table? Serve pastries, fruit, and desserts on tiered trays or decorative plates. Beautiful. Presentation makes the meal feel extra special. Food display ready? Like this, if brunch looks delicious. How can I add personal touches to the table? Place handwritten notes or name cards for guests. Personal messages make the table feel thoughtful and meaningful. Personal touch added, Like this if heartfelt details win. What glassware fits a Mother's Day brunch theme? Use elegant glasses for juice, coffee, or sparkling drinks. Clear or gold-rimmed. Glassware adds sophistication to the table. Glassware ready? Like this if elegance matters. What colors work best for a Mother's Day brunch table? Soft pink, blush, lavender, cream, and light gold create a beautiful spring palette. These colors feel elegant, cheerful, and perfect for celebrating mothers. Palette chosen? Like this if soft spring tones win. What centerpieces work best for Mother's Day tables? Fresh flowers in vases or teacups create charming centerpieces. Keep arrangements low, so guests can talk comfortably across the table. Centerpiece styled? Like this if florals brighten your table. How do I create a beautiful brunch table base? Start with a neutral tablecloth or runner. Linen fabrics and soft textures instantly create a refined yet welcoming foundation for your tablescape. Base ready? Like this if simple elegance shines. How can I layer plates for a stylish tablescape? Use chargers, dinner plates, and folded napkins for layered styling. This approach adds depth and gives the table a polished look. Place setting ready? Like this if details matter. A beautiful Mother's Day brunch tablescape in 2026 creates a warm space to celebrate love and appreciation. With soft colors, floral details, and thoughtful touches, your table becomes the heart of the celebration. Loved these Mother's Day table ideas? Like and come back for more celebration, inspiration,